Day Say Kids. Click here for more videos.
10 lines essay about camel. A camel is a large animal which contains a long neck and one or two humps on its back. It is the most important animals wandering around the Arabian deserts. It is called as the sheep of the desert. It has the tendency to be good-tempered, patient, and very intelligent. It has thick and padded feet that are well suited to the desert habitat. It can comfortably sit and run on a hot sand and can drink 200 bottles of water at a time. It can store water for a week and can store a lot of food in its hump. It can survive for lengthy intervals of time without meals or water. It can eat leaves and thorny bushes in the desert. It can supply clothes such as fiber and food like meat and milk to human beings. Camels are important modes of transportation for both people and goods. It can live up to 50 years.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.